Hello there, welcome to your French lesson with Franco Planet. In this lesson, we are learning about the imperative form, l'impératif. The imperative is used to issue a command or give instructions, to express desire, to make requests, to recommend something, or to advise. The verbs are to be conjugated in the present tense and only exist for the subject pronouns tu, you, nous, us or we, vous, which is the you for formal form or the plural form. But the subject pronoun will be dropped as it is not used in the imperative sentence. Examples: assois-toi or assieds-toi. Sit down. Asseyons-nous. Sit down. Asseyez-vous. Sit down. Vas-y maintenant. Go now. Profite de l'occasion. Take this opportunity or enjoy this opportunity. Soyez à l'heure. Be on time. To construct your imperative sentence, there are a few steps. First, you will conjugate the verbs. Of course, you have to know how to conjugate your verb in the present tense. We are taking the example of the verb manger, to eat. Tu manges, you eat. Nous mangeons, we eat. Vous mangez, you eat. Then, to have the actual imperative form, we'll drop the subject pronoun and that will be our imperative form. Example here: mange, eat, mangeons, eat, manger, eat. We know that when we conjugate a verb with er in the present tense, for tu we have the ending es or s, but in the imperative form, for the verbs ending with er, the first group of verbs, it will lose this s, and that will be the imperative form. For the verbs ending with er of the second group of verbs, they will keep the s for tu. So, example, the verb finir, fini. If you want to give an order, tell somebody, finish now, you'll say, fini maintenant. And this actually applies as well for all the irregular verbs of the third group. They will keep the s. For the verb aller, the verb aller, to go, is actually an exception of the group group, the first group. It is one of the very rare verbs with that is irregular. Aller in the present tense: tu vas, nous allons, vous allez, you go, we go, you go. And the imperative form will be va, and it keeps its s for tu. Allons, allez. Let us see a few examples of imperative sentences. Mangez votre déjeuner. Eat your lunch. In this case, it is in the formal form. Allons à la campagne. Let's go to the countryside. Prends le bus. Take the bus. Finis ton devoir. Finish your homework. That's it for now. Please visit our website www.francoplanet.com to join the French courses. We offer all kinds of French courses for adults and children. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified for the free French lessons and contents that we regularly upload